Baked falafel with tahini sauce. Short description. These baked falafels are a healthier alternative to the classic deep-fried version. Made with chickpeas, fresh herbs, and spices, they are fiber-packed and naturally vegan. Serve them with a creamy tahini sauce for a satisfying, protein-rich meal perfect for lunch or dinner. Nutritional information per serving, 4 falafels with sauce. 1. Dietary restriction: vegan, gluten-free. 2. Fiber content: 8g. 3. Calories: 260 kilocalorie. 4. Protein: 10 g. 5. Carbs: 30 g. 6. Portion number: 4 servings, 16 falafels total. 7. Total cooking time: 40 minutes. 8. Category: lunch, dinner. Ingredients: falafel. 1. Canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1½ cups, or 1 can, 15 oz. 2. Fresh parsley, chopped, 1 cup. 3. Fresh cilantro, chopped, 1 cup. 4. Onion, chopped, 1/2 cup. 5. Garlic cloves, minced, 3 cloves. 6. Ground cumin, 1 teaspoon. 7. Ground coriander, 1 teaspoon. 8. Baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon. 9. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. 10. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. 11. Black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. 12. Chickpea flour or oat flour, 2 tablespoons. Tahini sauce, 1. Tahini paste, 1/4 cup. 2. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. 3. Water, 2 tablespoons, adjust as needed. 4. Garlic, minced, 1 small clove. 5. Salt, a pinch. Instructions for the falafel. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 to 190 degrees. 1. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. In a food processor, combine chickpeas, parsley, cilantro, onion, garlic, cumin, coriander, baking powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Pulse until the mixture is finely chopped but not mushy. 3. Add chickpea flour and olive oil. 3. Pulse until well combined, and the mixture holds together when pressed. 4. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into small balls. 4. Place the falafels on the prepared baking sheet. 5. Lightly brush the falafel balls with olive oil for extra crispiness. 6. Bake for 20-25 minutes, flipping them halfway through until golden brown and crispy. For the tahini sauce: 1. In a small bowl, whisk together tahini, lemon juice, water, garlic, and salt until smooth. 1. Adjust the water to achieve your desired consistency. Serving: 1. Serve the baked falafels drizzled with tahini sauce and garnished with fresh parsley or cilantro. 1. Pair with pita bread, a side salad, or over quinoa for a balanced meal. Health benefits: 1. Chickpeas are rich in plant-based protein and fiber, promoting digestive health and helping maintain steady energy levels. 2. Baking the falafels reduces unnecessary oil, making this dish lower in calories and heart-friendly. 3. Tahini provides healthy fats and adds creaminess without dairy, making it perfect for a vegan diet.